Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. Hopefully you guys and gals are having a great day out there. Wow, it's been a really good day here in Asia. It's been pretty warm overall. It's been pretty sunny. It's overall been a pretty nice day, except that the big Debbie Downer is that the OGE is in the lockdown and it's still progressing, still proceeding. But with that being said, guys, we're seeing a huge pattern forming on Bitcoin. We're seeing a huge pattern, and the last time we saw this happen, we saw Bitcoin literally go up 600 to 700%. Is history going to repeat itself? Are we going to see Dogecoin? Are we going to see Ethereum? Are we going to see all the altcoins absolutely explode? We're also going to talk about Solana. More people are flowing capital and money into Solana than Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. There's been more inflows in the last week into Solana than in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Wow, that's mind-blowing. We're going to talk about that. As you guys know, that Solana went down about 13% because of its network got attacked. So, you know, it's back up again. So hopefully we can start to see the price reversal. And we're also going to talk about, you know, some other coins that are absolutely popping off, like Matic is about to pop up. Matic is about to explode. Remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just OG in the house expressing my opinion, and this video is for educational purposes. Remember, you have to do your own risk management. It's so important that you do your own risk management. We got tons to talk about. We got Australia looking to start their CBDC, so we got a lot of really bullish catalysts going. We had that Gary Gensler meeting, and you know, the Angry Granny was there, and the Oversight Banking Committee, and nothing really came of it. It's like just a nothing burger. So I really believe that Bitcoin, when it went down after the flash crash, it formed a local bottom, and that formed a local bottom around about 43,000, and that's it, guys. We're not going any lower. That's it, guys. The springboard is here. We've got so much catalyst, guys. We're seeing a huge supply shock for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and we're going to talk about that, and I'm going to show you the data. I'm not just talking here. I'm going to show you the data. It's right in front of your eyes. And not only me, Willy Woo is talking about it. You know, Bitcoin Archive is talking about it. Plan B is talking about it. Everybody's talking about it. Don't give up on the crypto. Don't give up on the Bitcoin. Don't give up on the Dogecoin. The Dogecoin is absolutely going to the moon. We're going to see a $1 coming. I'm telling you, $1 is absolutely coming in. I'm all fired up because I believe that we're just about to take off, guys. That I can smell the rocket fuel. Bitcoin's going to explode. Ethereum's going to explode. Solana's going to explode. Matic is going to explain. Dogecoin is going to the moon, guys. We don't need anything because we're going to the moon, guys. And even if Elon tweets, we don't care because this is the pure Doge. This is the organic Doge. Let's jump into it right now. What are you waiting for? And before we do that, you got to do one more thing for me. One more thing. Remember, you have to smash the likes, guys. You've got to do that because that tells the YouTube algorithm that you like this content. And if you smash the likes, it pushes the content out. Get the OG message out there. We here on this channel, we're doing three things. We're talking about crypto and news. We're talking about price targets. And we're spreading the good vibe. And we're having fun. Are you having fun? Are you having fun in YouTube land? You better be having fun. I want to see a smile on that face. Smile right now. All right, let's jump into it. And before we do that, guys, we got a whole bunch of subscribers in the house. I gotta shout out to these people. They've been begging me. They've been saying, Daryl, OG, send me a shout out. Send me a shout out. Here comes your shout out, guys. Buckle up. It's coming. Shout out city. First of all, we got a couple of new members in the house. We got Kid Vicious in the house, new channel supporter member. Woo! And we got Gary in the house. He's a VIP member. And Gary, if you're watching this video, thanks, brother. We love you. Guys and gals watching this video, guys, become members. Support the channel. Become members. Become members. Do it right now. And Gary, don't forget to send an email to the official email. Send us your YouTube handle. Send us your name. And we'll send you those links so you can get connected to the other VIP members and the other super members in the house. And guys and gals, even if you're not a member, even if you're not a super member, I'm still showing love. I'm showing love every day. These are our newest and latest, greatest subscribers in the house. These guys subscribe today, and I'm giving them a shout out because you know what? I love everybody the same. USS Alley, yeah, in the house. Accent Church, in the house. Chat Chai Cha, in the house. Arts XCRFT, in the house. Victory, yeah. Paul Garbach and Craig Williams in the house. We love you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching this content. We love it. We love you. Let's get into some news, guys. So right now I see TA Bitcoin indicator suggests strengthening case for break above 48,000. I absolutely believe that Bitcoin's going to break 48,000 in the next 24 hours. You'll see it. I'm calling it, and trust me, it's going to happen. If this OG says it's going to happen, it's going to happen. You can take that to the bank, guys. So let's take a look at some more news. Right now we can also see, if we look at Bitcoin Archive, he's talking about that the amount of illiquid Bitcoin supply is at an all-time high. It's a supply shock. We haven't seen this before for a long time. You can see right here, the supply shock is right here, guys. The illiquid Bitcoin on exchanges is huge. And that means there is no Bitcoin to be had. There's no Ethereum to be had. It's drying up, guys. The exchanges are becoming like a desert. You try to buy Bitcoin soon, it's not going to be possible because everybody's taking it off the exchanges and everybody's holding it because we know that Bitcoin is going to 100K. It's going to 100K. We're going to get there in December. Sure, September's looking like a big Debbie Downer month, but I am telling you, this month is going to be an outlier month because normally September is a bad month for crypto. Not only Bitcoin, not only Ethereum, but for the Dogecoin too. And Doge is definitely getting to 94 cents to a dollar by the end of this year. Take that to the bank. Take that to the bank, guys. So I'm all excited. I'm fired up, guys. I'm fired up. I'm excited. I love the crypto. I love God. And I love you in YouTube land, guys. Let's take a look at some more news that's happening right now. I'm so fired up right now. So the whole Bitcoin economy is flashing signals and signs of bullish, according to on-chain analyst Willy Woo. And you know, Willy Woo, he's not some lightweight. Willy, if you're listening to this, I love you on-chain, brother. I love you. I love you. You're doing a great work. We love it. Shout out to Willy Woo in the house. Woo, Willy Woo. So, guys, you're seeing that there's a whole bunch of data. Top on-chain analyst Willy Woo says the entire ecosystem of Bitcoin buyers is telling him that BTC remains bullish. It's not only bullish, it's going to explode to the moon. And when Bitcoin takes off, we're going to see Dogecoin. Because a lot of people, a lot of haters out there say, OG, what, you're always talking about Bitcoin, but you're supposed to be a Dogecoin channel. Well, let me just clarify something for you. Dogecoin and the rest of the altcoins are right now very much tied. The whole market is tied to Bitcoin because Bitcoin dominance is the total market capitalization of Bitcoin is over 40% of the whole market, guys and gals. So when Bitcoin makes a move, the whole market moves. And Dogecoin is very much tied to Bitcoin. Guys, right now, because the dominance is so high. So wake up, weak Nancy, stop wetting the bed, stop crying in your pillows, and stop running for the hills because you guys are running scared. We are seeing a crypto revolution like we've never seen before, and we're seeing so much bullish data for Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin explodes, you think Dogecoin is going to stay asleep? No. Dogecoin is going to explode. Ethereum is going to explode. Cardano is going to explode. And all of the top altcoins are going to go boom, guys. Boom, chakalaka. Let's get it, guys. So what is Willy Woo saying? Willy Woo is saying that according to Willy Woo, even the distribution of BTC supply is good for long-term health of Bitcoin. And you can see that the distribution is good. We got, the people with 1,000 or Bitcoin or more. We've got publicly held, you and me, Joe Public and Nancy, it's also good. So you can see that the distribution that's being held by institutions of whales and Joe Public and also people with less than 0.1 Bitcoin is all on the rise, guys. It's all on the rise. And this is good because when you have a good distribution of Bitcoin, it means that Bitcoin is going to be more and more decentralized, right? Because if all the institutions and whales held all of Bitcoin, it means that they would control the world, right? But they don't. We have a good distribution of retail investors, institutional investors, and also the shrimps and minnows are also holding a large portion of Bitcoin as well, guys. So this is good news. So remember, don't discount the retail investors. The retail investors like you and me, we have power, guys. So some other on-chain matrix, Bitcoin supply distribution by participants, you can see that additionally, Willy Woo says that whales or entities holding at least 1,000 BTC are also continuing to purchase. So we're seeing that large entities and institutions that have 1,000 or more Bitcoin are continuing to buy. Whales think coins are cheap right now. Yes, Bitcoin is cheap, especially when it's going to go to 100,000, right? Oh my MG. So they are in a decade-long diversification plan, selling into every bull market and having made their money. But they do not take the opportunity to buy when they are strong about ahead. So we're seeing that the institutions right now are bullish. They're buying more and more Bitcoin because they see, the whales see what a lot of the public doesn't see, and a lot of the wet Nancy's and the panickers and the newbies who haven't been in this space, and when they see a flash crash, they think it's over, it's over. It ain't over, guys. This is just manipulation. This is market manipulation. This is a way that the institutions wash out and get rid of all the paper hands. So stop being a wet Nancy. Convert your hands, become diamond hands, guys, and hodl. And when Bitcoin goes up to 75, 80, 90,000, 100,000, that's when you can think about selling and take profits, guys. Remember to do that. So finally, Wu knows that the public corporations are also in the midst of accumulation of BTC. So also, public corporations are also in the midst of buying up as much of the supply as possible. And this is fantastic news. You should be totally insane in the membrane and psyched about this. All right, guys. So with that being said, guys, you have to understand that this bull run is not over. It's just begun, guys. So, and you know, Willie Wool, he's not a lightweight. He is not a lightweight, and he's telling us that everything is bullish and everything is bearish. Some other news, as you guys know, that we had this kind of weird attack that was going on. We had Solana, Arbitrarium knocked offline while Ethereum evades attack, guys. So we had a whole bunch of attempted crypto hacks and attacks on Solana that went down, Arbitrarium went down, and Ethereum also evaded attack. So it looks like somebody, something, and someone is orchestrating this kind of attacks. So who knows? More stuff needs to come out, but you know, the main debt went down and it's back up again. But guys, just beware that this crypto cycle, this bull run, the second leg of the bull run is totally unprecedented. We have more institutions, we have more corporations jumping in, and also we have more people trying to hack the networks and take our coins. So guys, remember, always turn on two-factor authentication on your exchanges. Make sure you're secure, and if you receive emails, do not click on any links unless you're absolutely 100% sure that it's happening. Like one of my members this morning, he sent an email that looked exactly like it was coming from Coinbase, and it was like a proper everything. The logo was, everything was perfect. Said, "This is Coinbase. We need you to verify your identity. Click here." Absolutely, he sent it to me. He said, "Oh gee, can you take a look at this? I think something's not right here." And absolutely, this was complete fakery with a link. And behind that link, I ran some diagnostics on the link, and definitely there was a malicious code back there, and it was sent out to tons of people to suck your data, to get your data out of it, to get the data out of there. So, guys, watch out. Be careful, secure your crypto, and remember, never click any links if you don't know who those are. So some other news that's coming in right now. Australia just posted a job posting for a CBDC person. They're looking for someone who understands CBDC, blockchain technology, and the Royal Bank of Australia. They're looking to build and start to deploy their CBDC. So this is really huge news, guys, that Australia, hey, we have Ukraine, who's going to be the first country, and I told you yesterday, one of the first European countries to accept Bitcoin as legal tender in 2023. And that's mind-blowing. Australia is also moving ahead, wants to move ahead with the CBDC, guys. So the final piece of news is Solana inflows dwarf Bitcoin investments as institutional diversity into other crypto assets. So you guys can see right here, high-performance blockchain Solana is growing in popularity among cryptocurrency investors, threatening more established crypto asset investment products. According to digital asset management, CoinShares, the 7th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, saw more inflows than Bitcoin and Ethereum during the week ending September 13th. Wow, guys, this is mind-blowing, guys. This is absolutely mind-blowing. During the period, the crypto market largely saw a decline. Solana defied the trend by rising in price while recording close to $50 million in inflows compared to Bitcoin's $0.2 million and Ethereum's $6.3 million. Wow, what does that tell you? It's telling you that Solana is still set to explode, going to the moon. So if you're a Solana holder, hold on tight, guys, because $500 is absolutely coming. Sure, Solana's looking a sore. Sure, Solana's looking a little bit rough right now because it's gone down a little bit because we had that we had the network went down because it got attacked. But we're seeing that Solana is starting to bounce back right now, and if we can get above this purple line here, this is going to be really bullish. Let me just extend this line down here. So if we can stay above this purple trend line, and we've got some major support for Solana right here at 155. So it looks like we're staying above that support, and I think it's just going to be a matter of time before Solana has a second set up, and we're going to explode and get ourselves back to 200, guys. So if you're holding Solana, I know some of you are like, oh, what's going on, Debbie Downers? Don't panic, guys. The reason we had this 13% drop was because of the network attack. Right, guys? There was like 400,000 transactions per second were hitting the network, and the network just collapsed with all the traffic, and that's pretty normal, guys. So let's take a look at the huge news. We could be seeing a 600 to 700% increase in Bitcoin. All right, guys, let's jump into it. So first of all, we need to take a look at this. I told you guys a million times, the 21-day EMA the Bitcoin price needs to stay above the 21-day EMA. And right now, right here in front of your eyes, we're doing that, guys. We are absolutely doing that. And Bitcoin is at 47,411. And as I said in the beginning of this video, I absolutely believe that we're going to hit $48,000 incoming anytime soon in the next 24 hours. If not sooner, it could be hours. Who knows? But by tomorrow morning, when I wake up in Asia, and I turn on my portfolio, I'm going to see 48,000. So, guys, buckle up. Get ready for the moonshot. Here's the big news, guys. Are you ready? So, everybody's been talking about this golden cross pattern, golden cross. So, the last time we saw a golden cross was here, guys. Let me get the chart over. Last time we saw a golden cross, sometimes these charts are going crazy. Last time we saw the golden cross was back here around May 20th, 2020. And since then, you can see when we had this golden cross, we had this huge run up that went all the way from here, and then we went all the way to here. Now this is an all-time high, right, guys? You remember that? And you can see here that from the point of the golden cross, sure, we had some ups and downsies, we had a little bit of ups and downsies, but the overall trend from August 20th up until this point here, which was the 21st of April, 15 April, when we had the all-time high, we can see that that was a 716% increase, guys. Amazing. So we're seeing exactly the same pattern forming right now for Bitcoin on right now. We're seeing this golden cross, guys, and you guys should be pumped. You guys should be psyched. So if, let's be conservative. Let's say we get a 500% pump from where we are now. Where is that going to take us, guys? Let's go. I mean, even if we go up 100% from where we are now, guys, that's over 112,000. So if we have the same kind of increase, let's just keep going, guys. Just keep going. Let's keep going. If we hit the same kind of pump as we get for Bitcoin that had from the May 20th to now, guys, that puts us at a staggering 365,000. If we get the same kind of pump, I don't know, but conservatively, let's say we go up 100%. Let's say we go up 100% from here, which I think is really conservative. It's really doable. Let's call it 100%. I think it's really doable. What do you guys think? Smash the comments, guys. So if we get to 108% from this golden cross to where we are now, that takes us up to 95,000. And if we want to hit 100,000, we only need to go up 120,000. But we've already seen before that when last time we had this golden cross, we went up almost 700%. That was from the local bottom here, right? And that was when Bitcoin was trading. Let me get my face out of the way. If you look at here, Bitcoin at this time was trading around about $7,000. And then it went from $7,000 from the 20th of May all the way up here. So could we do the same thing? Sure, the time frame is different, right? It's almost 1 year time frame. This is a consolidated time frame. This could be like 4 or 5 months. So let's take a look at the averages. So if we take the 4 months divided by a year, then we get an average increase based on the average. Then we could be talking at least 120% increase. So if we get to 120% increase for Bitcoin, they were looking at over $100,000. And I think this is absolutely doable. And Willie was saying, Plan B is doing, Bitcoin Archive. You know, William Clemente, we're all saying the same things. The Golden Cross is very bullish. Could we see a 600% pump? Sure. A year from now? Definitely, it could happen. It could happen. We could see a 600% pump. But definitely, I believe that 120% pump is not unreasonable. It's not unexpected, guys. So stop being weak Nancy's, diamond hands. Look at the future. Look at the TA. And remember, TA only works until it doesn't, right? TA is not science. TA is educated guessing, guys. And that's all I got to say about that. Okay, so let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. Well, this is big BTC on the 1-day chart. Remember I told you guys yesterday we had this diamond pattern forming, and I told you exactly that we were going to start to break out because this is a very bullish pattern. And guess what? We broke out exactly as OG told you guys. So all the Debbie Downers out there, all I got to say to you is we did it. It's right in front. The numbers don't lie. It's right there. So let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. Ethereum in the house. Where's my Ethereum in the house? My Ethereum is hiding. So exactly as I told you, I said we have this. We have Ethereum right here, and we have this huge descending triangle, which is a very bullish pattern. And I told you that we're going to break out, and absolutely, as I told you, we are breaking out. Now we're hitting some resistance right here. If you can see this line right here, we're hitting some resistance right there, guys. And right now, Ethereum is trading at $3,400. And 8, so basically we'll call it 3,400, and we got some overhead resistance around about 3,430. You know, we went up, rejected, and hopefully we can keep testing that. And if we can get past the 3,450 area, then our next target is 3,600. So guys, buckle up. It's absolutely coming. It's absolutely incoming. You know it's incoming, and we're gonna get there really soon, guys. So I'm gonna change this line right now to yellow because I think this is really just a very temporary resistance level, and we're going to get past that. We're going to blow past that very soon, guys. So buckle up. Let's take a look at ADA in the house. ADA in the house has just been going sideways all day. It's at $2.39. I still think that we're going to break down to this level before we have any upside. And we have this inverse W pattern, which is a really bearish pattern, and it's playing out exactly as I said it would. Now Solana in the house, we've talked about that. Solana is starting to make its moves back, and it's starting just to rush right now. It's $159, almost $160, and I think that we're going to travel along this channel here, and hopefully that we can break out soon. I think we're going to be breaking out very soon. It looks pretty bullish, guys. We have this huge descending triangle here, and we have the bottom of the descending triangle is here. So I think we're really going to start breaking out in the next 24 hours for Solana. So keep your eyes on that. Keep your eyes peeled on that. And then Matic is looking really good, guys. Matic has this really good structure right now, and I think that it's going to keep on going. And I think that, you know, right now we got the 200-day moving average. We need to get above the 200-day moving average, and if that happens, that'll take us to about 150 range. So keep your eyes on Matic. I think we can start to see us starting to move up against the 200-day moving average on the 4-hour, and I think we could definitely be seeing $151.50 coming in, $1.50 coming in really soon, guys. So buckle up, and let's take a look at my Doge, right, guys. Now, Doge in the house, everybody. I'm pretty bullish. Look at this pattern. Look at this formation that we have here. Right now, Doge is at 24 cents, and we're following my Elliott wave pattern exactly as I predicted. We went up, we got rejected, we went below this purple descending triangle here, went all the way down, 1 to the top, 2 to the bottom, and now we're traveling this direction. I think we're going to be able to blow past, by the 20th of September, we should be above the purple trend line. Absolutely, we're going to be above the purple trend line. I believe it. You believe it. Let's get it. And I think we're going to go up to the 30 cent, get rejected, probably go all the way down to around about 25 cents, and then bounce off there, and then we should go past our 27 cent, and then we should start testing the 30 cent area. So that's how I call Dogecoin. Now we could start to pump much faster. I mean, if if Bitcoin starts to pump a lot faster, we'll definitely see ourselves moving a lot faster and the momentum will pick up. So this is the Elliott wave pattern that I'm predicting that Dogecoin will fall. So smash me up in the comments, tell me what you think. Let's look at some Unchained data for Bitcoin right now. Let's do it. So for Dogecoin right now, get your words out. We're talking about Dogecoin. So right now, you can see the Dogecoin is up 1.38% and it's at 2410. The total market cap is 31.65. The dominance is 1.65. The supply is right here, tons of supply. And this is the chart on the 6 months. We went all the way up, in May. This is when we had the SNL. We've been going steadily down to here. And then once we hit here, we're starting to move up in this direction. We had a little bit of a reversal here, but I think overall we're going to start. You can see how Doge goes all the way down, picks itself up, has a trend to the upside, and we saw this huge dump because of the flash crash, and we're going to start to see a reversal soon, and I believe that we're going to start to see Dogecoin start to take itself up, guys. So what do you think about that? Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe as always, and let's take a look at the on-chain. Right now, 66% of all holders are in the money right now, 31% are out, 3 are breaking even, and if we look at the price correlation for Bitcoin, it's coming up. A couple days ago, we were at the high 38.43 area, so it's coming up, guys. So let's take a look at the market marks right now. Market marks right now, the total market cap is 2.19 trillion, and the 24-hour volume is low. It's low right now here in Asia. So hopefully, when America wakes up and Canada wakes up, we can hit higher volumes. So we're at around about 6 to 8 billion, and the Bitcoin dominance is actually going up. So more people are selling the old coins, moving them into Bitcoin right now. So let's take a look at the prices. Remember, the prices here is the aggregate. The charts are from one specific exchanges. And remember, all exchanges have different prices for Bitcoin and other altcoins. Some high, some low. But this is the aggregate. Just remember that in case you're like, hey, Audrey, why is the price on the one-day chart different than here? It's because this is aggregate. Okay. So right now, Bitcoin is trading at 47,424, and that's up 3.27%. So we're in the green on the 7-day and in the green right now on the 30 days just slightly. Ethereum right now is at 3,419, and that's up 2.64%. We're up for the 7 days and we're up for 30 days, so it's really good. ADA is not doing as well. We're down just slightly at $2.40, and we're up on 7-day, up 30 days. BNB right now is at 425. It's up 4.85%, so that's pretty good. Our total market capitalization, we're up around about 3.5%, somewhere in that range, guys. And right now, the 7 days, we're also up. We're in the green. So Solana is giving back some of its profit right now, and it's down almost 5%. That's $159, but we're still up 157% in 30 days. So it's not so bad, not too shabby. Doge is fighting back right now. It's up 1.48%. That's at 25.16. So let's take a look at some other projects right now. I told you guys again to link. I think about 24 hours ago. So if you did, congratulations. You're in the green right now. Remember, none of this is financial advice. This is the OG in the house expressing his opinion. So remember that. Avalanche is also up in the last 7 days. Algorand is now down. ICP is up. Matic is doing pretty good. I told you guys again Matic a couple of days ago. So if you did that, congratulations. VET is also up. I told you again the VET is starting to make some moves. So you're starting to see the altcoins, especially on the first page, start to make some moves. So guys, congratulations if you are definitely watching this channel, loving this content, and if you took advantage of some of the advice I give you, you're making dollar. Let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house right now. This portfolio is not financial advice. This is just for educational purposes only, and if you decide to copy any part of this portfolio, you do so solely at your own risk, guys. And right now we can see that the portfolio is up 56, almost 57%, and that's at $2,872 in profit. And right now the total value is $7,872. So all the Debbie Downers, all the haters out there who said that OG, you don't know what they're talking about, there's the proof right there in black and white. The numbers don't lie. All I gotta say is, okay. And that being said, guys, go to my Twitter. Go to my Twitter. Follow me on my Twitter. We've got almost 2,200 followers right now. So guys, follow me on Twitter. Do it right now. And if you're not getting notifications from YouTube, you've got to go here and follow, and then you'll get those notifications. So with that being said, Tell the algorithm you love this content. Smash the likes. Do it now. Subscribe, baby. Do it now. And guys, don't forget to go to all of my videos. Go to the bottom. Check the descriptions. You'll find all my links there. Remember, this is not financial advice. Go to Zen Music Addict. You know you want it. If you guys are stressing out because the crypto's got you down or life's got you down, chillax, relax, and watch some of the smoothest find your soul, find yourself music. It's like 1 to 2 hours of, moving art. Is so chill. It's so great, guys. Check it out. Check the Zen Music Addict channel out. This is a wife's channel, supporting the wife, helping the wife. Who wouldn't want to help the wife? Love the wife. Everybody's got to love the wife. And guys, don't forget, this channel is about spreading good vibe, spread the love, spread the joy. And guys, don't forget to become channel members and support the channel with a Patreon. Buy the channel a coffee. And don't forget to check out the merch. The merch. We got hats. Boom. We got t-shirts, we got polo shirts. Get the polo shirt. We even got women's hoodies, and we also got non-clothing items. We got the Muggy Mug. Get the Muggy Mug. Coffee tastes a whole bunch better in the Muggy Mug. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. Get the Muggy Mug. So with that being said, guys, go and check out my merch. Do it right now. And guys, become members, support the channel. And I just want to say, I'm working for you. I love you guys. Go with God. Be with God. This is the OG, the Ric Flair, of crypto. Spreading the Christian good vibe, spreading the crypto good vibe, spreading love throughout the interwebs. We love you. Let's get it. Woo!